This is FreedCamp. Thank you for watching. This is MCT Training Consultant, SAP, Software as a Service, Lifetime Deal or Discount. We tend to promote this from time to time to give opportunity to small businesses and medium businesses to take advantage of some great software that they can use on their business. Now, FreedCamp is a project management software. And what it does is that it's a customized project management software platform for teams. When I mean teams, I mean people that collaborate together on a particular project or the same project or any task that is assigned to them by their organization. Now, FreedCamp is a project management tool that helps teams collaborate effectively and complete projects in a fraction of the time. Now, what I mean is that FreedCamp can give you a custom suite of tools. These tools include things like task list, the Kanban board, the Gantt charts, and subtask, and much more of what you can actually imagine that comes with any project management application. Now, let me remind you one thing. Every team needs organization. Every team needs to be organized, and FreedCamp allows you to actually get your team organized in any project that they embark on. So the question you will be asking me is, what can I do with FreedCamp? It comes with a user-friendly interface, meaning it's really catchy. It has an innovative interface that reduces the amount of time required to finish any project because of the way they are aligned and the way they are arranged from step by step. And of course, it allows for a more comprehensive set of features where you come up with tools that you will need and tools that you probably will not need, which of course enables you to avoid clustering of different types of tools. So who can use this tool? Anyone who works in form of a team, or individuals, or any small businesses who just want to get things organized in the way you work on a daily basis, especially when you work with different types of clients and you do projects for them. Now, FreedCamp helps you to stay on top of your tasks, you track your progress, that's really great, and also organize everything digitally without typically clustering everything together. Imagine when you have to put those papers together and you miss page 1 with page 10. Now, this makes your whole team week more productive using FreedCamp. Now, it also allows you to cut unnecessary repetition. Now, what I mean is that you may have a certain type of project that is applicable to different types of clients. So what FreedCamp allows you to do, you can create a template from the previous project, and what you do is when a new client comes in and is asking for the same service, you can immediately create that new project from that existing template, and all you need to change is probably the different types of tasks, the time, and of course the processes that may be required for that particular client. Now, remember I explained earlier on that we have what we call the custom suite. It's a custom suite, meaning if there is a field that is not available on FreedCamp, then just create it. It gives you the ability to create different types of fields, especially if the default ones are not applicable to your workflow. So what are the features of FreedCamp? I've not really listed all the features here. I'll be showing you the website later on where you'll be able to see some of those features, and you can visit them for your own benefit. It has calendar, meaning you have the ability to see what is due and what is yet to be finished. It also comes with discussion, meaning you can discuss within the app on the particular project you're doing. It also comes with time, meaning you can put time tracking, which can allow you to bill your client based on how long you spent on the project, if that particular project is a time-based project. It also allows you to integrate third-party applications for your storage, especially with Google Drive, Google Calendar, Dropbox, and any other tool that you may be using. It also comes with CRM, customer relationship management. This is really great. So if you work with external contractors or you work with external users apart from your organization within a specific project, you can add them within the platform, and you can automatically invite them to be part of a project within FreedCamp. And the nice thing about FreedCamp is that it comes with issue tracker. Now, what is issue tracker? Issue tracker allows you within the app in case you're working on a project. Let's say you're trying to create a bottle product for branding purposes for an organization. And while you guys were creating the project, you came up with an issue that allows the product to actually increase the mass or the quantity of the bottle. So what you can do with issue tracker, you can create those issues. So when your client logs in, they go straight to where you have the issue tracker, and they can be able to see exactly what the issue is and why the project is delayed. So these are some of the great features that are there on FreedCamp. So how do you use FreedCamp? It's very simple. You click on login at the top of FreedCamp, and of course you put in your email and your password. Then you find the green icon that allows you to create a project. And once you create the project, the next part is to enter the project information. And once the project information is entered, then it takes you to what type of application you want to use for the project. Like I said, FreedCamp comes with a custom suite, so you can enable whatever feature you need for a particular project. And when you're done with that, the last step to do, sorry for the step 2, it should be step 5, then you enter the email address of any recipient within your organization or outside your organization, and you can invite them to the project. So just before I show you the price, I'm going to walk you through to the website just to show you how the website works. Okay, like I promised, I'm going to go through the website in just a minute. One thing I like about the FreedCamp website, it gives you all the details you need to know about it. In fact, if you look through, these are some of the companies that are using it currently. It's freedcamp.com. You have everything that you need, like things like the Kanban board. This is actually a modern way of checking or distributing your milestone and dragging them to completions. The Gantt chart is quite old. It's used by many software or many applications out there. So you have that here as well on the premium, on the business app, which is of course the one that is on special right now. And task, you have subtask as well. And if you want to plan the scores, achieve goals, and succeed within any project, these are some of the tools you need. You need things like milestone, calendars, discussions, and your time. Of course, your wikis will contain information that talks about things like tutorials, documentations, and some help documents within your team. And the beauty about FreedCamp is that it comes with a mobile app. Now, this is really beautiful. In fact, they didn't stop there. They actually have a desktop app. So the way you see the interface online is almost the same way. In fact, it's 100% the way you will see it on your desktop application. So if you have a desktop like a laptop or a normal desktop computer, you can actually have the desktop app as well on your Windows computer. And if you have your mobile app, you can also collaborate on the go. So don't waste time. There's so many other features that comes with it. They're all here. You can visit the website and go through them. But remember, this answers all your questions when it comes to project management system. Now, thank you for watching the website. Now, what is the cost of FreedCamp? Now, FreedCamp costs $5,200 per year on your normal subscription. But for a limited period of time, it's costing 2,200 Namibian dollars or 2,200 rands. Now, what does that mean? It means you don't pay again. Meaning for 2,200, you get access to this application forever. Meaning next year, you don't pay a dime. The next year, you don't pay a dime. For the next 10 years, 15 or 20 years, you don't pay a single dime. It's for life. So take advantage for it. It's only for 72 hours, meaning on Friday morning, for Friday at 12 p.m., this offer is gone, and it's gone forever, meaning you have to pay the yearly price. So take advantage of this right now. Click the link below, or I'm going to show you. I have the link on the slide. That is a link. You can follow this link if you want to get this app right now and the price as you see on the screen, or you can look at the description below, follow the link, and you can make your purchase. Remember, it's for the next 72 hours, meaning it's already started already, which is Wednesday, and by Friday this offer should be expiring. So if you think this is something that is good for you, then trust me, you want to spend that money to get it, and you get it for life. So thank you for watching the video. This is from MCT Training Consultant. Thank you for watching, and you can call me on the number on your screen. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and on Pinterest, and you can contact us on the email you see on the screen. Thank you for watching again, and I hope you get, I hope this is for you. Thank you again. Have a nice day.